Hey everybody, this is Wakefield with another video. And what I want to talk to y'all today about is something still early to hop on or jump on or get involved with. And that is investing in cryptocurrency. It's still early in the game to get involved with cryptocurrency, whether it's investing or trading. And what I have before you right here is the ultimate report where you're going to learn how to invest and trade. And it's just amazing. Once you get to this page right here, what you want to do is click on this video right here. It can explain way better than me on, you know, what to invest in, when to trade it, so you can make huge profits. So I thought I would shoot a video about it. What you want to do, put your email here and reserve your seat. And like I say, but before you do that, come down here and click on this video and read this right here. You definitely want to read that. So like I say, you can either put your email address here or here. But before you do that, like I say, click on this video right here. And this is going to sum up everything along with the video. So if you've been wanting to get involved with investing or trading cryptocurrency, this is for you. So with that being said, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I'm also going to put a link to my blog below so y'all can see all the other stuff that I got going on. So with that being said, y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Peace.